Today we're slinging some paint with our cool new electric paint sprayer from Batavia. This is the Max Spray Plus. It's an awesome little paint sprayer and it comes with all the accessories you need to have you painting in no time. Inside the box, you have your paint hopper with nozzle attachment, your 700 watt high-speed motor, 10 190 micron paper filters, different nozzle attachments, a viscosity cup, as well as some other cleaning accessories. The motor and hopper easily connect together. Then you can use the lock below the trigger to hold it in place. You can also adjust the trigger length to change how much paint it sprays out. The longer the trigger pull, the more the paint. After you get it set up the way you want, it's time to load it with some paint. Remove your hopper and grab your paper filter, as well as some paint. I bought a small container of thin paint to test it out, so I didn't have to do much. I gave it a stir and poured it directly into the paper filter. This makes sure you only get the most liquidy of paints and leaves all the chunks out of your paint sprayer. I also added a few drops of paint smoother that helps in lower temperatures, and gave it one final mix. Then you screw back on your hopper and plug it in. Then you're good to go. I cut out some shelves for my closet, and I used the paint sprayer to paint them solid black. You pull the trigger and it sprays and evenly coats black paint across your target. I only used a little bit to test, and even at the bottom of the hopper, the suction tube allowed the paint sprayer to work well. Normally a project like this would take at least a day to hand paint and dry, and then a day to install. This project took about half a day. I was able to quickly paint them, and then they quickly dried, and I installed them right away. I rinsed out the hopper and got it ready for my next project. Not too long ago I built a little cheese-shaped cat house, and I didn't have enough paint to paint it. So I got some cheese-colored paint, thinned it out and filtered it into the hopper. Now I got a hopper full of nacho cheese paint and a cheese house ready to be painted. The paint sprayer quickly coated the cheese structure in cheese-colored paint and made it one solid color in no time. I spent so many hours hand painting it to look the way it did, and in the end, I ran out of paint and it looked awful. This paint sprayer made it look so clean and even that I'm actually happy to set it out. This paint sprayer has saved so much time and energy, and I'm excited to use it on some of my future projects. The different nozzles give you some versatility, and the plug-in feature makes sure that you don't run out of battery mid-project. As long as you have paint, you're good to go. So if you're looking for a paint sprayer, this one from Batavia might just be perfect for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go spray some paint into the evening. See ya!